everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard. Thank you so much for joining me in my channel. I'm making a mess here. I was dipping into my Distress Sprays that I have a lot of. I like that, Distress Oxides I should say, and I like those for the opaqueness, that painterly feel that they have. I think just kind of a next layer up from generally inked. And so just want to show you how easy it is. I had a new die set that I wanted to try out. This one is the Card Making Magic by Christina Griffith, the Provence collection, part of the Provence collection, and it has the sort of the trellis here, bicycle, nice good sized bicycle, look at that in my hand, really nice one there, and all these little floral pieces that you can put together. It has a stamp set that goes with that. I should say this one goes with the bird cage that I have as well, but all these little pots and things that you can sort of build up. I've got an avalanche coming here, so lots of fun. So I had a lot cut out just because I was, just like many of you, I was playing around in my craft room and doing things, and I have stuff cut out, but I thought I would assemble it on camera. So I've got all the dies here. I just kind of wanted you to see this is the trellis die, and you can do all sorts of things. This going on here, so all sorts of fun things here. So this was the original piece that I had sprayed, and then I die cut a circle out of it. It's got all that delicious goodness there, and then I trimmed it down to a 4 by 5 1/4. So you can get 2 cards out of one panel, so it makes a quick little thing there. These are just A2 size cards. I went ahead and did a black piece in 5.5 by 4 1/4. I embossed this with a stripe. I don't know if that's going to pick up on camera, but from Fun Stamper's Journey. I have some of my own words cut out, believe, hope, prayers, thoughts, from a file that I have that is called Words of Peace, and that's in my Etsy shop. It's a digital download, and I have it white with black letters and black with white. And then this piece I have, I think it's a Tim Holtz embossing folder, 3D embossing folder, and then I sprayed some of the right out of my container of the Distress Oxide. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing some stuff down. If you make a bunch of cards at once, the assembly goes a little bit faster. Just a good rule of thumb. I like making a stir fry. You get all your ingredients together and then boom, it comes together a little bit more quickly. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and, of course I've got black on black. Okay, so on this side we're going to do the butterfly. I had done this for a previous video with my treat bag, and I had an extra one. It's from Crafty Individuals, and it's embossed, and then I just watercolored in there. So I had this kind of teal and pink thing going on, so let's do that card first then. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere that right on the side, just whatever shape you have in your stash there. So I'm just going to line that up with the white, and it just adds this dramatic effect that you just don't need a bunch of stuff on there. Really, it's an easy card sketch if you want to think about it that way. We can just simply add some sequins, or if you cut more flowers out of there. Got some pink sequins here from Nuvo. They're called Pink Tutu. Sticks to pick up pencil. Do something really simple, and then you can just adhere that to a card base. Easy card there, and can pop in the mail very easily. Give a little close-up of that. I'll have pictures on my blog at some point. Next card is this one. So I've got my splatter there, and then I've got the offcut of that circular piece. I'm going to go ahead and just get that down. So great way to use up, you know, not have any waste there. Alright, so I've got my trellis. That's going to go down first. And what's nice about this pot with that spray ink, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it almost looks like stone because of the speckling element there, so I thought that was kind of neat. So first I'm going to glue down my little trellis, and I'm going to kind of put it about there. Easy way to use the same color. It's also faster if you're using the same colors and whatnot. I will put those away here in a second. But anyway, I just thought I would turn the camera on and make those. I like how happy and cheery they look. If you like that video, go ahead and give a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more videos so you're always alerted. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great, safe, and healthy day.